Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jenny and I am here to show you how to make a delicious green goddess roasted leg of lamb. Yum, how good does that sound? I've got my beautiful leg, bone in, more flavor that way, leg of lamb here. And I'm gonna start off by giving a little crosshatch cut, about a 1/4 inch deep. This crosshatch is gonna allow our seasoning and our marinade to really get in here. I'm gonna season generously with salt and fresh ground pepper. So off to sit. I'm gonna go ahead and make now the green goddess marinade. And then we've got some more fresh herbs here. Now we've got a lemon. We're gonna zest it and add the juice. Remember when zesting that you don't wanna go to the white pith, which is bitter. You just want that zest on the outside. Give that a good squeeze. And then we've got some cloves of fresh garlic peeled. And our secret ingredient, a couple of anchovies. And then a nice big pinch of salt and some fresh ground pepper. And then I've got some good olive oil here. We've got our lamb here. It's been sitting for an hour now. So I just have a brush here. And I'm really gonna press it into that crosshatch. And now that we've got this all good and covered, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the top rack in our oven and set it to boil and sear it in and at a high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, check this out. How beautiful does that look? And now we're gonna add our side to it, which is potatoes, baby potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna now tent this with some foil and cover it up. It's gonna go into our 350-degree oven for an hour, and then we're gonna remove the foil. Go in for another 20 minutes or until the internal temp of the lamb is somewhere between 135, 140. Our goal temp is 145. Once it sits out, it's gonna continue to cook. So we've got some leeway there. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the oven and we'll be ready to go soon. Okay, look at this beautiful lamb. It's been sitting out of the oven, resting for about 20 minutes now, and we are gonna slice it up. You can go slowly and go as close to the bone as you can. Look how beautiful that looks inside. I put it here on my board, and now I'm gonna plate with my gorgeous potatoes. And then lastly, now that I've got all of this plated with our potatoes, I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle our beautiful sauce over the lamb and drizzle that. And some of the fat, I'm gonna drizzle it over my potatoes. Roasted leg of lamb, green goddess dressing and marinade, roasted potatoes. It's a win. Talk to your butcher, get American lamb, and everyone is gonna be happy. Enjoy, thanks so much.